Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement and the lessons we're going to cover today are which metric unit of length is appropriate. Then we'll start the chapter symmetry. The lessons we're going to cover are line symmetry, line of symmetry, count lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry, and draw lines of symmetry. So let's just start with the first lesson that is from the chapter unit of measurement. Okay, here I am on grade 3 math. Scroll down to chapter unit of measurements. Here it is. And we're going to start with the last lesson of the chapter. Which metric unit of length is appropriate? So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the first one is which is a better estimate for the length of a dolphin. So you are given with two of the options, they are 3 meter and 3 centimeter. So you have to select the length of a dolphin. So dolphin is the largest fish, like lengthwise largest one. So 3 centimeter is too short for the dolphin, right? So 3 meters is a better estimate. Which is a better estimate for the length of a key house? Length of a house key, 8 centimeter or 8 meter. So it is just a key, right? So meter is too long for a key, it would be 8 centimeter. The correct option is 8 centimeter. Yes, hi everyone. Which is a better estimate for the height of a soda can? 13 centimeters or 13 meters? Which is the correct option? It is 13 centimeter because 13 meter is too tall for the soda can, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which is a better estimate for the height of a soda can? 13 centimeters or 13 meter? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 13 centimeter, right? Because 13 meter is too long for a soda can. So that would be 13 centimeter. Which is a better estimate for the length of a loaf of bread? 33 meter or 33 centimeter? Which is the correct option? That is loaf of a bread, right? So it would be 33 centimeters. Meter is too long for a loaf of bread. The correct option is 33 centimeter. Okay, which is a better estimate for the length of a dolphin? 3 centimeter or 3 meter? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 meters, right? Because it is dolphin. Dolphin is the lengthwise the greatest fish, right? So it would be 3 meters, not 3 centimeter. 3 centimeters is too short for a dolphin, right? Which is a better estimate for the length of a house key? So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is just a house key, right? So for a house key, it is 8 centimeter because 8 meter is too long. So the correct option is 8 centimeter. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we're going to start the new chapter. We are done with the chapter also, unit of measurement. So we're going to start with the new chapter, that is symmetry. So also one very important thing, all the sessions are saved on the channel, right? If you are looking for, if you are working on any lesson, because today we are going to the last lesson of the from A plus students, right? So if you need help with any of the lesson, you can search the channel, just write the you grade, your grade and the lesson name, right? You will find all the videos related to the lesson. So whenever you are working on a lesson, you need help, you can search the channel also, right? Because all the sessions I did until today, all the channels are saved on the channel, right? Let me show you how. Okay, here I am on the channel. Let me go to the channel. Or it's okay if you are not going to, you can just write like you need help with the lesson from the chapter, place values. Because I did this lesson earlier. So just write the lesson name, like for I need help for this one. Just copy the lesson name, paste it over here. Also just write the you just write the channel name, that is A plus classes, right? Okay, just click on the search button. Okay, you can see here grade 3, place values names up to thousands, place value names up to 100. This is from grade 3. You can just click on this and you can go through all the lesson, right? So whenever you need help with any of the lesson, you can search channel like this, like I did. Got it now? Because we have done with all the lessons from ablestudents.com. So if you need help with any of the lesson, you can simply search it on the channel. Just write the lesson name and channel name like I did, right? Okay, so let's just start with the chapter symmetry. The first lesson is line of symmetry. Okay, which picture has symmetry? So what is the symmetry? What is the line of symmetry? Like line of symmetry is you draw a line on the image, like, right, you have to draw a line on the image. If you fold the image along the line, the two sides will match exactly. Got it? Or in other words, you can say if you divide the image into two parts along the line of symmetry, the two parts are exactly same, right? You can see here the dotted line is the line of symmetry. So if you fold the image along the dotted line, the two parts exactly match up. That means the picture has symmetry, right? Okay, the next one is which picture has symmetry. You are given three of the pictures, you need to see which one has symmetry. So if you draw a dotted line on this picture on any side, it will not match up, right? But if you draw a dotted line on this one like this or like this, if you fold, it will match, right? So the line of symmetry, only picture with the line of symmetry is this one, right? Okay. Okay, the next one is which picture has which picture has symmetry. So you are given three of the pictures. You can see if you draw a line on this one, no. If you any side like this or like this, they will not match, right? So this one has the line of symmetry. If you draw a line like this or like this, the two parts exactly match up. You can see here, you draw a line, horizontal line, you did, right? Also, if you make a vertical line, the picture has symmetry, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, which picture has symmetry? You are given three of the pictures A, B, and C. So, which is the correct option? If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. So, which picture has symmetry? A, no. B, no. C has a line of symmetry. If you draw a vertical line, it will divide the picture into match two parts that will exactly match up. So C has the line of symmetry. So the correct option is C, right? Okay. Which picture has symmetry? One, two, three. Which is the correct option? A, B, C, you can say. So which one has line of symmetry? You can see if you draw a line on A, no, the two parts are exactly not same. Also, B has no lines of symmetry. But if you divide C into two parts like a vertical line, yes, they will match up. So C has the line of symmetry. Got it? So the correct option is C. Okay, which picture has symmetry? A, B, C. Which is the correct option? A has line of symmetry, right? If you draw a horizontal line, it will the two parts exactly match up. Or either if you fold the image along the dotted line, the two parts exactly match up. Like see if you make a line like this and if you fold along the line, so A has a line of symmetry. The correct option is A. Okay, which picture has symmetry? A, B, C. Which is the correct option? If you already know the answers, please write down the correct option in the chat box. So, which one has the line of symmetry? A, B, C. Which is the correct option? The correct option is A, right? A has a line of symmetry. Like if you don't make a horizontal line or the vertical line, it has the line of symmetry. So, which picture has symmetry? Which is the correct option? Which picture has symmetry? A, B, C. C has the line of symmetry. If you draw a vertical line, it has the line of symmetry. So, the correct option is C. Which picture has symmetry? So which is the correct option? A, B, C. The correct option is A. No, C has a line of symmetry, right? If you draw a line like this, C has a, sorry. If you draw a line like this, C has a line of symmetry. So the correct option is C. Okay, which picture has symmetry? A, B, C. Which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is B. B has a line of symmetry. Which picture has symmetry? A, B, C. C has a line of symmetry, right? If you make a vertical line, C has a line of symmetry. Which picture has symmetry? A, B, C, which is the correct option? B has a line of symmetry. The correct option is B. So, which picture has symmetry? The correct option is A. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. So, please make sure before the next session you can complete all the test questions for the lesson. If you need help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? The next one is count line of symmetry. So you can make more than one line of symmetry on a shape, right? So how many line of symmetry does this shape have? So which is the correct option? Only one. Like if you draw a line like this, sorry, not a straight line, but you if you draw a straight line like this, the picture have a line of symmetry. But otherwise, if you make line in any direction, this picture has no line of symmetry other than this, right? So the only one line of symmetry, right? To find a line of symmetry, look for two halves of the D that are mirror image of each other. The bottom half of D is the mirror image of the top half. So horizontal line that passes through the middle of D is a line of symmetry, the only line of symmetry, right? Okay. How many line of symmetry does the shape have? So this shape have also only one line of symmetry, the line that you make like horizontal line, right? It would be a straight line, sorry, right? So only one line of symmetry. You can see this one, right? Okay, then I think again D has only one line of symmetry. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, how many lines of symmetry does the shape have? One, two, three. Which is the correct option? The line has only one line of symmetry, right? The vertical line. So the correct option is one. You can make a line like this. This is the only line of symmetry, right? So only one. Okay, how many line of symmetry does the shape have? 0, 1, 2. Which is the correct option? 0. This shape have no line of symmetry, right? So the correct option is 0. How many lines of symmetry does the shape does this polygon have? 0, 1, 2. Which is the correct option? The correct option is the shape have 0 line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry does the polygon have? So the correct option is 0. This shape have 0 line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry does this shape have? So which is the correct option? Very good. 0, 1, 2, 3. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 0. The shape have 0 line of symmetry. The correct option is 0. How many lines of symmetry does the shape have? How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? Yes, that the shape have 0 line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? This shape have only one line of symmetry. The correct option is 1. How many lines of symmetry does this polygon have? This shape have two line of symmetry. Like this side, if you draw a line from this diagonal to this is one line of symmetry, and the other line of symmetry is if you draw a line like this. So this one has two line of symmetry. The correct option is 2. Zero. No way to split the polygon so that so that the halves are mirror images of each other. So there are no lines of symmetry. The correct option is okay, no line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry does the shape have? Which is the correct option? The shape has only one line of symmetry. The correct option is 1. How many lines of symmetry does this shape have? The correct option is no line of symmetry, right? 0. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next one is rotational symmetry. Okay, which picture has a rotational symmetry? So, what is rotational symmetry? Just look at the word rotation. Like, right? So, rotational symmetry is if you rotate an image along half turn, one fourth turn. If the image looks like the same after rotating, that means the image has a rotational symmetry, right? So, imagine rotating this picture one fourth turn. So when you turn this image one fourth or half, it will look exactly the same. That means the picture has rotational symmetry, right? So rotational, just look at the word rotational. That means if you rotate the image along the half turn or one fourth turn, if it looks like same, that means the picture has the rotational symmetry, right? Okay, the next one is, does this image have rotational symmetry? Yes, because from all the corners, if a picture is same along all the corners, then it has the rotational symmetry. So if you rotate anyway, like the image rotating the picture, imagine rotating the picture 1/8 turn. So yes, it has a rotational symmetry, right? Okay, the next one is, which picture has a rotational symmetry? You are given three of them. A, B, C. Which one has the rotational symmetry? Only C, because C is same along all the corners, so C has the rotational symmetry. If you rotate one fourth, one half, one eighth, it looks like same, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Does the picture have rotational symmetry? No. The correct option is no. Okay, which picture has rotational symmetry? A, B, C. Which is the correct option? Only C has a rotational symmetry, right? Because C is same along all the corners, so C has a rotational symmetry. The correct option is C. Does this picture have rotational symmetry? Yes or no? The correct option is yes, it has a rotational symmetry. The correct option is yes. Okay, which picture has rotational symmetry? Which is the correct option? A, B, C, which is the correct option? The correct option is C. Only C has the rotational symmetry, right? The correct option is yes, the picture has the rotational symmetry. You can just write the answer only once, please. Which picture has rotational symmetry? A, B, C. The correct option is A. A has the rotational symmetry. Which picture has the rotational symmetry? A, B, C, which is the correct option? The correct option is A. Does this picture have rotational symmetry? The correct option is yes, it has the rotational symmetry. Right? So the correct option is no. Sorry. This picture do not have any rotational symmetry. Which picture has rotational symmetry? The correct option is A has a rotational symmetry, right? So the correct option is A. Does this picture have a rotational symmetry? The correct option is no. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the last one, that is draw a line of symmetry. Okay, draw all the line of symmetry for this shape. So to draw a line of symmetry, look for two halves of this U that are mirror image of each other. Then draw the line of symmetry between two halves. The right half of U is the mirror image of the left half. So the vertical line that passes through the middle of U is a line of symmetry. That means the only line of symmetry for U is the one if you make a line from the through the middle of U, right? So you have only one line of symmetry. Okay, the next one is draw the line of symmetry for this shape. So how do you make line of symmetry for this shape? The only line of symmetry you can make is if you make a horizontal line through the middle of the image, right? The right half is the mirror image of the left half, like this. Okay, the next one is okay, draw a line of symmetry for this shape. So you can make only one line that divides the picture into two exactly halves. Okay, you can make a line from the middle one that can divide the image into two exactly halves, right? So that means the picture have only one line of symmetry, right? That divides the picture into two exactly same halves, right? So this lesson do not have any practice questions, just a tutorial. Okay, draw all the line of symmetry for this shape. This shape have only one line of symmetry. If you draw a line, a vertical line along the middle, it will divide the picture into two exactly halves. So you can see the only option is this one. Draw all the line of symmetry for this shape. The only line of symmetry you can make for this shape is this one. You have to draw a line, a vertical line from the middle of the image, right? Okay, you don't have, you can find a lesson on the book and do as many practice questions from the book as you can, right? So we're working on grade 3 math. The lessons we have covered today are unit of measurement. Chapter from the chapter unit of measurement. The lesson is which metric unit of length is appropriate. Then we have started the chapter symmetry. The lessons we have covered are symmetry, count lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry, and draw lines of symmetry. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you have any question, you can please ask. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.